mitochondria accuse us of being responsible for the harming and killing of tobacco plants.
Well, yeah.
I think we can all agree that the world will benefit with the least amount of tobacco as possible.
Smoking is bad.
The last lie mitochondria said was that chloroplasts are fake and don't provide cells with energy, which is absolutely ridiculous. The main function of the chloroplasts are to turn chemical energy from the sun into sugars and to perform photosynthesis to provide us with oxygen. Because there was no evidence supported in any of these claims, it's obvious that everything the mitochondria group said about us were lies. Over to you, Leah.
Hello, my name is Leah Oxton of Chloroplast. Now, we have a big crisis on our hands. Not only has the mitochondria been mudslinging our beloved organelle, ribosomes have had a few choice words as well. They've insisted that chloroplast causes spots on plants. This is a disease in chloroplast known as cycloid-bound acarate peptides. And when plants get older, they basically get age spots. This defect does not allow hydrogen peroxide to release and therefore slows down photosynthesis. Humans get age spots as well, but that's just part of life. Yes, this is a disease found in the chloroplast, and there is no way to relieve this. However, have you ever heard of this disease? No, because it's not as big as cancer or Ebola or malaria or even heart disease, because it's not killing millions of people. No organelle is perfect, but if this is chloroplast's biggest fault, then I'd say that chloroplast is doing pretty good. And over to you, Marlene.
Thank you, Leah. The endomembrane system also have been sharing some lies about the wonderful chloroplast. They say that we do not contain lysosomes, which is absolutely correct. However, no other organelle contains lysosomes, so why does this matter? If no other organelle contains it, then why is this important? Not only is a lysosome an organelle, like a thing of its own, it can go into any other organelle. As you can see, the endomembrane system could not find anything wrong with the chloroplast because there isn't anything. So back to you, Julia.
So far we've told you a lot about the other organelles and what they've said about us and why it's just simply not true. But now we want to tell you a little bit more about the chloroplast. We've told you about all of the amazing functions and all the things that chloroplast does, but we haven't truly told you about why it does these things. It has a double membrane, which means it has two of them. You didn't know that. And that enables it to do many other things. This allows it to photosynthesize and create oxygen. It has thylakoid, an outer membrane, inner membrane, stromal lineage, thylakoid, a stroma, which, if you ask me, they all kind of look like hamburgers when they're together. But, and they're starch and sugar. All of these things working together, let it do what it needs to do. It's an incredible organelle, and that's why you should vote for it, because everything about it is perfect. It's the best organelle by far, and you should vote for it. Thanks, Marlena, for uncovering that interesting matter. Now to something even worse, the nucleus. The nucleus group claim that chloroplast is only found in plants and not animals, and you know what? It's completely true. We just don't see why it matters.
I know, right? Chloroplasts power the plants which feed the animals.
Chloroplast does what it knows best, and that is in plants only. Without the chloroplast, there would be no plants, and then the animals wouldn't be able to feed on the plants, and then humans would not be able to feed on the animals and the plants. There would be no life as we know it, because there would be no oxygen to breathe in or anything to eat. Chloroplast may exist in plants, but really affects every living thing. To conclude, chloroplast is the best organelle by far. It triumphs over all organelles.
Vote chloroplast to power your plants.